Now we are going to start with the practical sums of binomial. So for first sum I have taken, if 5 coins are tossed, what is the probability of getting exactly 3 heads? At least 3 heads, at most 3 heads. Even though यहाँ पे लिखते वक्त मैंने exactly 3 heads लिखा है, but I'll also explain you how to do other also. So exactly का हम लोग पहले कर लेते हैं, so that it will be easy for you to get the point. Now, if a coin is tossed and we want heads, so I'll say let getting a head be success. What is probability of success? 1/2. आप 5 coin toss करो, 10 करो, कुछ भी करो, एक coin toss करने के बाद भी probability of success 1/2 है, और 5 coin toss करने के बाद भी probability of success 1/2 ही रहेगा. तो अगर probability of success 1/2 है, getting head is 1 success, और उसकी probability 1/2 है, तो what is failure? Not getting head is a failure. So that will be probability of failure. Q represents probability of failure. Probability of success अगर 1/2 है, तो failure भी 1/2 रहेगा, क्योंकि Q is equals to 1 minus P. We already know that. Then how many coins are we tossing? 5 coins. So n is equals to 5, because we are repeating the trial for n times, or n is equals to 5. We are repeating the trial for 5 times. Now the binomial theorem is, or as per the binomial function, NCX, P raised to X, Q raised to N minus X. N is 5, CX, P is 1/2 raised to X, Q is also 1/2 raised to 5 minus X. Now the first case that they have asked us, exactly 3 heads, that is X should be equal to 3. So we'll put X is equals to 3 in the given form. 5C3, 1/2 raised to 3, 1/2 raised to 2. After solving, you will get 5C3 is 10, 1/2 raised to 3, 1/8, 1/2 raised to 2, 1/4. That is 10/32. Second, exactly, now I am taking other exactly sums. At least वाला नहीं घेते मी आता, at least नंतर घे. Suppose it is exactly 2 heads, so X will be equal to 2. It will be 5C2, 1/2 raised to 2, 1/2 raised to 3. It will again become same. Exactly 4 heads असेल तर X is equals to 4 येईल. 5C4, 1/2 raised to 4, 1/2 raised to 1. It will be 5/32. This is how to solve the exactly वाला sums in binomial. यहाँ पे 3 ही cases होते हैं, exactly, at least, at most. Because binomial is discrete, तो X की जो value होगी ना, वो हमेशा whole number होगी, in between the values. तो अगर आप 5 coin toss कर रहे हो, तो आपके पास क्या हो सकता है? आपके पास 0 head आ सकते हैं, या 1 head आएंगे, या 2 head आएंगे, 3, 4 या 5. तो आपकी X की वैल्यू भी इनके बीच में ही होगी कुछ ना कुछ. Now we'll talk about at least. At least 3 heads. At least का मतलब क्या होता है? कम से कम. इसका मतलब है कम से कम 3 heads होने चाहिए. तो कम से कम 3, तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा 5, क्योंकि 5 ही heads हो सकते हैं, उससे तो ज्यादा हो नहीं सकता. Okay, so when they talk about at least, it means minimum. It is also represented like this. They say that the X represents the number of heads. This capital X, it represents number of heads occurring when 5 coins are tossed. और उसमें भी उनको चाहिए, the number of heads should be at least 3. So X is at least 3 means X should be greater than or equal to 3. That is, X should be either 3 or X should be either 4 or x should be either 5. अब इससे ज्यादा तो और कुछ होगा नहीं क्योंकि 5 ही कॉइन्स है तो 5 ही हेड्स हो सकते हैं। तो 3 हेड्स की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या आएगी? 5c3 1/2 raised to 3 1/2 raised to 2। अभी निकाला हम लोगों ने। प्लस x is equals to 4 का येणार 5c4 1/2 raised to 4 1/2 raised to 1। और 5c5 1/2 raised to 5 1/2 raised to 0। So this will be 3 and 2 and this is 4 and 1 and this will be 5 and 0. So 5c3 is 10. This will become 10/32 plus 5c4 is 5. This will become 5/32. You can calculate, you will find out. अभी हम लोगों ने किया था, दोनों करके देखे थे। 5c5 is 1/32। आपको पता चलेगा कि डिनोमिनेटर सेम ही रह रहा है। Now this will be 15 plus 1 16 16/32, that is 1/2। 1/2 is the probability that the number of heads are at least 3। At least 3 का मतलब क्या हुआ? कम से कम 3 हेड्स। तो हेड्स 3 होने चाहिए, 4 होने चाहिए, 5 होने चाहिए, और है बीच में, इसलिए हम लोगों ने ऐड कर दिया। The next case is at most 3 heads. It means ज्यादा से ज्यादा 3 हेड होने चाहिए। So if x represents number of heads, then x should be either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3, not more than that. So when I'm talking about at most 3 heads, it means x has to be less than or equal to 3. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 3. So it will be probability that x is equals to 0 or probability that x is equals to 1 or probability that x is equals to 3. तो हमको इतने सब निकालने पड़ेंगे यहाँ पे। So it will be 5c0 1/2 raised to 0 1/2 raised to 5 plus 5c1 1/2 raised to 1 1/2 raised to 4। और 5c2 1/2 raised to 2 1/2 raised to 3 और 5c3 1/2 raised to 3 1/2 raised to 2। and then we'll solve this. So is there a shortcut? Yes, there is a shortcut, but that I'll tell you once we have solved this, so that we can tally if the shortcut really works. So 5C0 is 1. This will be 1 by 32. Then this is 5 by 32. Then this is 10 by 32. 5C2 is 10. 10 आणि denominator same as 32. And this will also be 10 by 32. So 10 plus 10, 20, 25, 26. This is going to be 26 by 32. At most 3 heads. Now, this at most 3 heads is actually complement of at least 4 heads. ज्यादा से ज्यादा 3 हेड, इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या आएगा? 3 से ज्यादा हेड्स. 3 से ज्यादा हेड्स मतलब क्या? 4 हेड्स या 5 हेड्स. So it is actually 1 minus P of x is greater than 3. ज्यादा से ज्यादा 3 हेड्स, इसका उल्टा क्या होता है? 3 से ज्यादा हेड्स. कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा 3 हेड्स का मतलब है 3 से ज्यादा हेड्स नहीं होने चाहिए. You should not have heads more than 3. It means at most 3 heads. What is the complement? Heads more than 3. Now, how to find out heads more than 3? 1 minus heads are more than 3. That is 1 minus P of x is equals to 4 or P of x is equals to 5. इसको मैं ब्रैकेट डाल दूंगी. So now we can find out number of heads more than 3. So to find out this, I'll do it here. It will be 1 minus x is equal to 4. It will be 5C4 1 by 2 raised to 4 1 by 2 raised to 1 plus 5C5 1 by 2 raised to 5 1 by 2 raised to 0. Now after solving this, you will get it is 1 minus 5C4 is 5 by 32 plus 1 by 32 it is. It will be 5 by 32 plus 1 by 32. That will become 6 by 32. Now 1 minus 6 by 32 is 26 by 32. Same, we are getting the same answer. We got the same answer when we solved it by this method and same answer when we solved it by complement method. अब कहाँ पे कॉम्प्लीमेंट यूज करना है? देखो कैलकुलेशंस देखो, यहाँ पे अगर आपको लेस देन इक्वल टू निकालना था तो 0 1 2 3 4 निकाल के ऐड करके करना था, तो ये शायद थोड़ा सा लंबा हो जाए. अगर ऐसा लगे then you can use the complement. Use complement to reduce down your calculations.